wee quick video outside Aldl here in Buncrana, and there's a lot of people don't understand. I forgot to bring buns with me. Buns is €1.50 in there or something like that. These wee chocolate chip mini muffins, there's far more weight to them, because I think they're the same as buns. I don't know, I'll find out now and eat them. They're €1.09. But the thing is, if I was to get money changed today, the pound is worth €1.17. But if you go to Aldi, they will give you £1.25. So I have bought these buns here at €1.09, and I got €23.50 back, which is the same as £20 11p back. So it means I've got these buns for nothing. So I'll use them all euros now, and I'll buy diesel with it. A lot of people don't catch it on. Now there's no point in going in there and spend £19.50 and having €20. If I go in there now and I buy a packet of custard cream biscuits at €20-30, 20-30 cents, I'm getting far more money back than I can without a change of any other way. So that's how you save money there.